5 Billy, don't talk to me. For a show 150, don't talk to me. You ain't never help your mans, don't talk to me. You just follow all the trends, don't talk to me. I set the bar, I'm the fucking bar.
Wild Wild West, a state that's untouchable like Elliot Ness. The track hits your eardrum like a slug to your chest. Pack a vest for your Jimmy in the city of...
Hey guys! So today I'm going to be doing this look that I did in my orange swimsuit pictures on Instagram. Faux freckles and all. I'm going to start off with my milk blur stick. I'm going to rub that all over my face and then just moisturize it in. Next, I'm going to be taking my Melanie Mills Hollywood Glow stuff. I have it in the color Rose Gold. She sent this to me for a review. I'm going to just get a little and put it all over my face. And if you're wondering, yes, this is definitely safe for your face, body and face, which is wonderful because normally if I put any like body sheens or anything like that on my face, it would just make me break out. But after I used this, I had no breakouts whatsoever. So, great job, Melanie. Next, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I'm starting with the brown one in the color 30. I put that on all of the high points of my cheeks, basically where I want to conceal, under my eyes, and on my forehead. Next, I'm going to go in with a lighter concealer, which I believe is the color 23 in medium, and I'm going to go back over all the places I started just to add a little extra highlight to my conceal. Next, I'm going to go through with a Real Techniques blending sponge. My beauty blender was broken at this time, so Real Techniques works just as fine. I'm going to blend out all of the areas where I placed the concealer, under my eyes, on my forehead, and everywhere else.
I just sold all my dreams, now I'm headed towards the Hollywood Hills. Cause damn I want it all. And maybe one day I'll blow up.
Next, I'm going to set my concealer with this Makeup Revolution powder. It's in the color Terracotta. This color is a little dark for me, so I do tend to use a little bit of it, not too much, just to set under my eyes.
I'm done wasting time on you.
I think I'm reminiscing. Old friends never share my vision. My mindset is only for this mission. I never cared about another nigga. I stayed focused on my grind. Pray to God that my album sales come out different. I just want it all now. I just want it all now. I go for it.
Next, I will be taking my Anastasia powder contour kit, and I'm going to get the darkest shade on a Real Techniques brush and just carve out my cheekbones as well as my jaw and above my forehead, just to add some color and structure to my face.
Just to show the people I was on it. Just to show my mama I was on it. Believe me, nigga, I was on that grind 24/7. Putting in work just to get a leverage. Trapped up in my room just to get better. Didn't have time for them silly errors, but everybody makes me.
Since next we're gonna start on eyeshadow, I'm going to prime my eyes with that lighter concealer that I used earlier and just put it on my eyelids and blend it out so that my eyeshadow will stick for a while. We're going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and the two colors we will be using are regular, which is the dark orange shade, as well as burnt orange, which is a lighter orange shade. I'm going to start with the lightest orange shade and put that all over my eye and use it as a transition color.
I made a lot of growth and then a lot of change. I guess I had to change because you tried to take advantage of my old ways. I seen this shit from miles away.
I am then taking the darker orange shade and putting it in the crease and blending it out.
I just sold all my dreams, now I'm headed towards the Hollywood Hills. Cause damn
take my L'Oreal Butterfly Mascara and just put it on my top lashes and my bottoms to prep for my false lashes. I normally use more than one highlighter. So first I'm going to start off with this Wet n Wild highlighter. I forgot the name, but it's the one that's super colorful. You know, it has pink in it, brown, and gold. It was super raved about a few years back. But yeah, I'm gonna use that highlighter and then just blend it out with my blending sponge. For my next highlighter, I will be using this NYC pigment. It is an eyeshadow pigment, but I use it over top my highlighter. I put it on all the high points and rub it in with my fingers.
I'm done wasting time.
TA, what kind of dream is a doctor when you can be a rapper? But what kind of dream is a rapper when you can be a doctor? I'm trying to tell you there's more to candy than what's...
Now it's time for the faux freckles. So what I use is this NYX eyebrow pomade in light brown, as well as this mini boar bristle brush. I dip it in there and just pat it all over my face. I start over the bridge of my nose, a little bit on my cheeks, a little bit on the top of my nose, and some on my forehead.
The rapper, the expiration date, the taste and ingredients matter. Make sure when you take the steps of life you take your own, because there ain't nobody with you. Yeah, you're out there all alone, but you're already special and you're already great, because you got a mind of your own, all the dreams you can make. While you're still here, not a fear, nothing bad can take place. Trying to get up in the hills without a snake, for God's sakes. And trying to buy a couple things from them all that ain't really fake. But when you bite the apple, sell a soul, take a look at your faith. You done been through it all, now you one of the best in the game. Whether it's money, your bitches, a mention, don't forget the fame. Everything will fall into place and then you're out there to kill. When you really believe in a dream, you know you've got the biggest thrill, yeah.
After that, I go in with a bobby pin, and I just use this to make the freckles look more defined and pop more, since they're for pictures.
I just sold all my dreams. Now I'm headed towards the Hollywood hills. Cause damn I want it all. I'm hoping one day I'll blow up. I'm done wasting.
I'm going to go over my face with highlighter once again. I'm going to take my fluffy brush and just put it a little bit on the high points. Now to add a little bit of color onto my face. For a blush, I'm going to be using this bright red lipstick from Milani Cosmetics. I'm just going to take a little bit on my finger and put it on my cheeks, my forehead, and my chin.
I'm on chick girls.
Now I'm going to do my lips. My signature lip is a brown lined lip with lip gloss in the center. So I just overline the top of my lip just a little bit, and I overline the bottom just a little bit as well.
I just sold all my dreams. Now I'm headed towards the Hollywood hills.
Now I'm going to use my Gloss of Girl Cosmetics by me lip gloss. This is in the shade 90s Baby and the flavor Watermelon. I'm going to just put that over top my lips where I lined them. I'm going to be selling my glosses again very soon, so I will put the link for my store in the description box, and just stay tuned on my Instagram for when they release. This is what it looks like up close without flash. Next, I'm going to set my face with some rose water. As always, I just spray that all over my face and fan it out a little bit so that it dries. That is the finished look, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what else you guys want to see in the comment box down below. Bye.